Hello Librans, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the last 15 days of November. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies, energies of the person or the situation you are dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. So let's see what we have for Librans. The Magician, okay. The Six of Swords, the Six of Pentacles, the Ten of Swords, the Three of Cups, the High Priestess, the Tower, the Ten of Pentacles, the Ten of Cups, okay, the Hangman, Eight of Swords, Nine of Swords, Knight of Wands, Five of Pentacles, okay. Let's see what are the messages in this deck for you, Librans. Nine of Hearts, guidance for the angels, from the angels for Librans. A new beginning. So Librans, with the Magician, the Six of Swords, and the Six of Pentacles. What I feel here is you started something new, okay, with a bang, with a very good, I should say, energy in it. But perhaps it didn't work out. You had to leave it for some reason. With the Six of Swords and the Six of Pentacles, there was a not very equal give and take in this situation. You did try to balance. So somebody here was trying to balance the relationship hard. It was a new beginning. Somebody really tried to balance it, but it didn't work out. So that person, you are leaving. I would like to say it's you, maybe the other person, but over here, since it's your reading, so you started something new with a with a lot of enthusiasm, a lot of hope, but it didn't work out in spite of your trying whatever you tried. But maybe it was you did try to balance it. Perhaps it wasn't enough. And here you are moving away from this situation because with the Ten of Swords, the Three of Cups, and the High Priestess, we have the Tower, the Ten of Pentacles, the Ten of Cups. So somebody here is feeling very, very hurt, betrayed, tense, and it's complete. This thing is totally complete. It's done. Okay, so this situation, whatever you started with, is over. Okay, but you have the pain of it. It is really, it's you feel cheated or you feel backstabbed in this situation, whatever it is. Okay, and you are moving away from the situation. With the Three of Cups, the High Priestess, what I feel is, obviously you won't be celebrating over here, but what I feel is it is, perhaps you want a reunion with this person, with the Three of Cups, or maybe it was a love triangle, whatever it is, it can be anything. Okay, so maybe you had some happy times with this person, can be that. Maybe you're just being nostalgic that you had happy times with this person, you were happy with this person. Can be, for some of you, can be a third party situation. For some of you, it can be that you really want to reconcile with this person. Okay, with the High Priestess over here and the Tower over here, what I feel is whatever has happened was totally unexpected for you. Though you are not taking any action over here with the High Priestess, you are being very, very intuitive, trying to listen to your inner voice. but not taking any action as such. With the Tower over here, I think the situation was totally unexpected because you started with a lot of enthusiasm and hope, but it didn't work out and it just came as a shock for you. Perhaps the other person has walked away and that came as a shock for you. Can be that also. But overall, this thing didn't work out. That came as a shock for you. Okay. And here we have the Ten of Pentacles and the Ten of Cups also. So maybe you wanted to have a family with this person. This person was you visual now. See, basically it is definitely talking about all sort of stability and commitment over here with the Ten of Pentacles and the Ten of Cups. Excuse me. So the thing is, perhaps you want to, this is an unexpected realization perhaps because it's coming after the High Priestess, the Tower, the Ten of Pentacles and the Ten of Cups. So perhaps this has come as an unexpected realization once you are in touch with your inner voice and being intuitive, though you're not taking any action, but you are listening to your intuition, you're just trying to, you are thinking over it basically. And this comes as an unexpected realization perhaps that this person you wanted to have a family with, this person gave you a lot of emotional fulfillment and you really wanted a commitment with this person perhaps. Maybe this is the unexpected realization. After this person has walked away or after you have walked away, whosoever has walked away, and for whatever reason this situation didn't work out, now when you are not taking any action but you are thinking about it, there comes an unexpected realization that this person was whom you wanted to have a relationship with. And here we have the Hangman also. So again, there is no action being taken. It is just all in the mind. It's all in the mind. You're just thinking about it, but I don't see you view them perhaps, or this is a realization that this is what it was, but things are just not moving forward. Still no action is being taken. Just the realization is there. And here we have the Eight of Swords, the Nine of Swords, the Knight of Wands, and the Five of Pentacles. So with the Eight of Swords and the Nine of Swords, definitely there is a lot of, with the Ten of Swords also we have here. So with all these 8, 9 and 10 of Swords, I think it's the tension is building up. Perhaps because 10 is also about completion. So maybe it's completed, it's over, and maybe now it comes as a realization and now you may make a move in future. I don't know, I'll see. But as for now, I don't think you're just taking any action over here with the Hangman. And the reason here is that you are very, very reluctant in taking a step forward. Okay, you just don't make a move for some reason. It can be anything which is holding you from the past. Maybe you have a history. Maybe there is a reason for you that you are not making a move for whatever. You're scared to make a move basically. You don't have the guts to make a move for whatever reason. Maybe your past experiences are very bad. You feel tied to something perhaps, but you are not making a move. Though you are very, very anxious, you feel ignored, you feel rejected, you feel abandoned. But here with the Knight of Wands, it's a very positive card here. This is that you are very, very passionate about this person. Maybe you make a sudden move because knights move very fast. And maybe it comes as a realization, though things are not moving now, but after this realization, maybe you make a move with the Knight of Wands because you are very, very passionate about this person. And knights move very fast. So maybe it is uh, like a sudden or a immediate decision. Okay, no, I just want to make a move, I'll do it, and I'll just talk to this person or communicate with the person, because they are very fast moving energies with the Knight of Wands. Maybe you make a move, but at least you really have a lot of passion for this person. Here again with the Nine of Hearts, a lot of emotional excess. So that's what it is with the Eight of Swords, Nine of Swords and the Ten of Swords. You are very, very emotional now for this person, and it is like it's being excess now. Your emotions are overflowing, I should say. The guidance from the angels is a new beginning. You are at a beginning of a wonderful journey. There is no need to have any fear as guardian angels walk beside you at every step of the way. You have unique gifts to offer the world if you just free yourself from what holds you back. What did I say? You just free yourself from what's holding you back. New opportunities will present themselves if you truly believe. Okay, so this is what you're supposed to do. You are ready for the new beginning. The only thing is you just need to make a move. Once you've realized it and you know it's because that you didn't make a move. Perhaps the situation was just hanging, okay, and maybe the other person walked away. Can be that also, because anyway, whosoever it was, the situation was hanging, things were just not happening. Though you knew this person was your emotional and fulfillment, and you wanted to have a committed relationship, perhaps you didn't make a move, and now when the person walks away, it comes as a sudden realization, as a shock for you, and now you know that you are very, very passionate for this person. And if you can remove yourself from this reluctancy of moving ahead, if you're able to take a step forward, you have a new beginning. Let's see what is the message from the universe guidance. Just see, the Two of Cups has popped up. Definitely a beautiful relationship you're dealing with. Let's see what is the guidance from the universe for Librans. The Ace of Pentacles. Wow, the Wheel of Fortune. The King of Wands. The Seven of Wands. The Devil. Four of Cups. The Emperor. Yeah, Four of Pentacles. So basically, I don't take so many cards, but still I have. Anyway, the Ace of Pentacles, the Wheel of Fortune. Definitely you want a new beginning with this person. Perhaps things are changing with the, perhaps you are ready to make a move now with the Ace of Pentacles. Maybe you are ready to open up, and with the Wheel of Fortune things will change perhaps. And with the Knight of Wands, the Seven of Wands, and the Devil, we had the Four of Cups, Emperor, and the Four of Pentacles. So definitely somebody here was struggling. The other person wasn't making a move. With the Devil card, maybe something negative is controlling over here, and that Devil is talking about your reluctancy in taking a step forward. You're not able to make a move for whatever reason it is, and it is definitely you need to work on something, whatever is holding you back. And somebody here was not interested with the Four of Cups, the Emperor, and the Four of Pentacles. Somebody was totally closed off, not opening up, being in control of your own emotions, not showing your emotions, and that is why things didn't work. And now when the other person has left, it is coming as a shock to you. Whosoever has left, it is causing you a lot of anxiety. This has come for some other reading also, that the person has left, now it's coming as a shock for you. Just check out which video it is, and maybe you are dealing with that sign, and maybe you have some message for you from that reading also. I'll see. I really don't remember actually. I'm trying to recollect anyway. So Librans, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's see each other in the next video. Bye.